Okay, so I'm going back to activity number 2, and so here we are. I'll go ahead and I'm back in the library's catalog where I found a book, and if you remember, we did a subject search and found this book about Benjamin Franklin. So what I need to do is to copy, I need to select the title, copy it, and then I can go into EasyBib, and notice here EasyBib has a way for you to find different types of sources. And so in this case we're looking for a book. Different ways that I can search for it. I'm just going to paste in the title. Okay, and I'll click there for EasyBib to look it up. EasyBib is very good and can find almost any book that you may run across. Notice here that it's given us 2 choices, and they really look almost identical. The only difference that I see is the difference here in the publisher. You have Norton here, and you have W. Norton here. And actually, I think those are the same company. But when that happens, when you get more than one choice, or even with just the one choice that EasyBib brings up, you need to go back and double check. And so you can check things like the author. There's Lopez and Herbert. Norton is the publisher, 1975. So you can see here that both of these are the authors, Lopez and Herbert, Norton, 1975. I'm going to go with this one here because it just matches. It's an identical match then with what it shows for the book in the library's records. Okay, so I can get EasyBib to start creating a citation for this book, and it'll give you boxes. And what needs to happen here is for you to look over the information in the boxes and to make sure that it's incorrect. EasyBib does a lot of the work for you, but in the end it's up to you to check and make sure that it's correct and follows the right style, the right formatting style that you're using. In this case, it's the free version of EasyBib can only work with MLA. So one thing I notice here is in the title, big words in every title, the first letter should be capitalized. The word at the beginning of the main title or the subtitle should be capitalized. So I'm going to make this correction here. And so when I have the site way that it should be, or I'm sorry, the citation the way that it should be, then I can tell EasyBib to go ahead and create it. Okay, and so here we have the citation in MLA style. There is a copy and paste option here. What I'm going to do is select it and copy it, and then you can put that information inside the Populi tutorial like that. You neater